Today I'm going to be making a homemade German chocolate cake. I'm going to start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We're just going to mix these dry ingredients to combine. Now add 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 1 cup of milk. Now that has mixed, I'm going to add 1 cup of boiling water. I'm going to do this slowly. Now you can use a regular hand mixer. You don't have to have one of these mixers to make this recipe. I'm going to pour the batter into 2 cake pans. I'm going to try to make it as even as possible. I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. All right, let's make this frosting. I'm going to start with 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3 egg yolks, 1 cup of sugar, 1 stick of butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. I'm going to cook this over medium heat. Once it reaches a consistent slow boil, I'm going to cook it for about 10 minutes. This is thickened up nicely. I'm just going to stir in 1 cup of coconut flakes and 1 cup of chopped pecans. I'm going to let this cool and then we'll put the cake together. Okay, I think we're ready to put this thing together since the frosting has cooled and thickened. Let's cut a piece and give it a taste. That is so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.